Do you like my mug? It has chickens on it. Hello friends, and welcome to another video. As we get closer to all things autumn and spooky season, I thought it would be a great time to look back at all of the projects I did through the spring, summer season. Anyway, let's get into it. We're starting all the way back in March with one of my favorites. I made this sweet, tiered, flowy dress for a trip I took to Florida. I thought the orange print fabric was perfect for a tropical getaway, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I've gotten so much wear out of it this summer, and so many compliments as well. Next was this men's collared button-up shirt. Tony picked out all of the fabric and notions, and we ended up with this bright, cheery shirt. I think it fits him nicely, and it wasn't as difficult to make as I'd expected. This daisy dress was something I whipped up quickly because I'd been holding onto this fabric for months and I wanted to use it. Normally, I use princess seam panels to accommodate my curves, and honestly, I struggled getting the darts to sit right, so I guess that was a lesson learned. This jogger and crop top set was one of my first attempts at making pants. I used a 4-way stretch jersey knit in this fun tie-dye pattern. I think it turned out super cute. It's been perfect for lounging around the house. This wrap dress was one of the more complicated pieces I made. I used a dress I already own to create a pattern for this dress. There were a lot of pieces, but I love the adorable woodland pattern and the large pockets I added. This lettuce hem tank top was inspired by one sold by Free People. I got the ribbed jersey knit as a remnant for just a couple dollars. And this was the first time I tried the lettuce hem technique. I think it turned out nice. This little beach cover-up was just a fun project I wanted to try for summer. I do my best to protect my skin from the sun, and I always like to have sun hats and beach dresses to provide a little extra coverage. And lastly, this puffy sleeve cottagecore dress. I had found this gorgeous gingham bedsheet in my favorite color from my local thrift store, and I had been saving it for the perfect project. The tricky thing about used fabric is that you have to be strategic in how you use it because some areas are more worn out than others. I'm so happy with how it turned out. So that's everything I made this season. I always think it's interesting to look back on all the projects I've made. As I continue to sew, I learn which fabrics I prefer to work with. I learn which pieces I actually enjoy wearing and that I feel comfortable in. I've got some fun video ideas for this autumn, so stay tuned for that. And let me know in the comments what projects you worked on this spring and summer. Do you have anything planned for autumn? Let me know, and we'll see you in the next one.